Hi mga ka-district! This is Jan again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, share ko sa inyo ang isang application ngayon na recently ko lang ginagamit ulit. And tinest ko lang kung kita pa ba ako sa kanya online or may makukuha pa ba ako. And it's actually a good thing na nakapag-withdraw ko recently. So anyway guys, ang pinaka-minimum amount na pwede nyo ma-withdraw dito is around 250 pesos may get or exactly $5. So guys, kung interesado ka, stay ka lang sa video na to, tuturuan kita kung paano. So ngayon guys, bibigay ko sa inyo yung pangalan ng application at yung overview ng application. Kung ano yung mga pwede nyo gawin at magkano ang pinaka, pwede nyo ma-withdraw dito sa application na to. So ngayon guys, ang application is actually ViewFruit. Pwede nyo itong downloadin sa App Store or sa Play Store. And ang kinaganda dito guys, pagka-open mo ng application, you just need to register. So baka naman, pwede mong gamitin yung aking referral code. Nandiyan lang sa comment section o kaya sa may description ng video na to. So, anyway guys, so ayan, inopen ko ngayon yung ViewFruit application. And then, after kong i-open yung ViewFruit application, syempre, pero yun, inopen ko na yung ViewFruit, bulol. ViewFruit application. So guys, nandito kayo ngayon sa homepage, and then sa homepage mismo, makikita nyo dito yung V-Survey, Promotion Task, My Wallet, VVote, Awards, Recommended, Affiliate, Media Corporation, and then may help sila dito. Ang kinaganda guys sa application na to is, for example, nagkaroon kayo ng problema, hindi nyo na-receive yung coins nyo, you can actually contact their customer service representative or their customer service group. Guys, napakadali and smooth lang dito kumontak sa kanila. Anyway, so that's one of yung parang feature ng application or kung ano yung makikita nyo sa application. So ngayon guys, ways dito to earn is of course by answering surveys. And ang kinaganda dito guys, laging may mga available na surveys dito. And if you will see it, 260 coins, 150 coins, yan yung makukuha nyo once na complete nyo yung isang specific survey. And ang ingin mga aso ko, narinig nyo ba? So, anyway, madalas dito may mga survey kaya hindi kayo mabuboke in a day. So, technically sa isang araw may makukuha talaga kayo na coins. And then after yun guys, pwede rin kayo sa mga promotion task wherein magsasagot lang kayo dito ng bitbang mga additional questions or surveys din actually. And then, ato sa nakikita nyo ngayon sa share kong screen ngayon, pwede akong kumuha ng 100 points at yung isa naman is 110 points. Ganun lang siya kadali guys. So, ayun actually madadali lang yan, mga 2 to 3 minutes or yung iba nga dyan less than a minute or 2 lang. So, next guys, itong sa My Wallet, dito mo makikita yung current points. So ngayon guys, itong ginagamit kong account na to is actually bago. Sa partner ko to actually. And as what you can see, meron ditong 222 points actually completed some of the surveys. Kaya I'm telling you guys, it's very short and it's easy to answer. And you will be able to get the coins as well. So anyway, para mapag-withdraw ka dito, of course, click mo lang yung redeem point and you will be able to see there yung mga options kung magkano or kung magkano yung total points mo na gusto mong i-withdraw. And ayan, nakita niyo na sa screen, di ba? So 2,500 points is equivalent to $5. So pinakamataas dito is $100, which is 50,000 points. So anyway, meron din dito guys na VVote. I'm actually not sure kung paano siya nagpa-function, but based on what I can see here, pag clinic ninyo, you need to participate, and then once na na-reach yung parang threshold nito, magkakaroon din kayo ng points or you will get something in return of course. Next is itong awards recommended. Ito yung referral guys. So baka naman, gamitin mo na yung code ko. So anyway, ayan yung referral bonus, and again, you will get immediate, you will receive like 10% of additional points no na-refer mo. So as what you can see, this account actually referred 59 people already. So ayun, baka naman nga, di ba? So anyway, the next thing is actually affiliate. I'm not really sure with this kasi medyo may mga kailangan i-fill out na additional details pero hindi ko siya ginagamit. Even this media corporation guys, hindi ko actually siya ginagamit din masyado. So technically, I'm more focusing with the V-Survey promotion task and of course yung mga additional information dito guys pala kailangan yung sagutan. So, pag clinic nyo yung pupunta kayo sa ano ba tawag dito, sa may profile ninyo. So guys, make sure to enter your basic information. Value-added information are also very important kasi ito yung mas magti-trigger ng mga surveys na pasok kayo sa requirements nila. And then you have your settings, you have your own page, and then of course, once that you click your account information as well, then nandun yung mga personal information. Ano pa bang in-expect mo, di ba? So, anyway, ayun lang siya guys. Ganun lang yung application na yun. So, sobrang dali niya lang gamitin. You can download it on the Play Store again. And again, yung referral code ko ha, baka lang naman. So, ayun, ganun lang siya guys kadali. So, meron din siyang survey tab kung saan makikita mo lahat ng surveys, and then you can actually also sync your contacts here. You can even send them an invitation via text message or iba't ibang way pa. So, ayun na guys. So, that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo, and I'm telling you guys, it's legit. I was able to withdraw the amount. Dito, I think na-withdraw ko na sa pinaka-account ko was around 1,000 pesos na. So, kaya share ko muna, of course, hindi ko naman siya itatry or hindi ko siya i-share sa aking YouTube channel unless na-try ko. So, may mga ginamit ako actually app na iba recently, and unfortunately, hindi mo na ako naka-withdraw. So, ayun. Hindi ko na siya ginawa ng video. Ito lang talaga, nag-focus lang talaga ako sa ViewFruit. So, yun lang guys. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have any questions or suggestion, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!